एक पॅनल जर तुम्ही फॉर्म करता हेजे रियल इस्टेटीचे डेटा हे करपाक तेजे
panel is among the officers itself. They have already seen from different departments, from registration department, from revenue department and collectorate.
सो युजफूल जातले म्हणटा सर तुम्ही रेव्हेन्यू
सी आता म्हणटा ते as far as the sale deeds are concerned सारखे लो चालू आहा. Suppose I am giving example only as far as Talegaon is concerned. Talegaon maybe the prices of land is varies between 25,000 to 30,000 whatever it is. But if they register the sale deed for around 5,000 to 6,000, so that is basically a loss to the revenue of the government. Okay, so that is what we have.
So sewage water near the Santini means.
See, there's some pipes have broken up. We I think even CCP has taken an initiative. They are having a meeting with the Minister for PWD on 3rd. See, we are working on it.
But Utpal Parikar has given his comment on that.
No, sir, but they open at this practical lady going to be directly.
See, which is the job basically of the contractor to look after all this.
But sir, they must bond there because direct भितर गेली आणि ती माशी हे झालीच आहे.
No, we are working on. We is not that we are sleeping at home.
So, but why it is that the contractor नाका आलेले गोतान तुका त्रास भोगचे पडटा?
ना पण कितें आले आता हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान पळोवंक जाय. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पळोवंक जाय. दुसरे म्हणटा ते our engineers are whoever are looking after that this thing, they should look into that.
बाबू असले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरचेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय अशें दिसना तुका? कित्याक बायल पडटा तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लायटली घेतलो.
एक्शन कोण घेतलो? एक्शन should be taken by the engineers.
तेच म्हणटा.
Whoever has been given whoever the contract has been given to. So it is they are
कित्याक जाणा तो फायनली मागीर सगळ्या काटान तुजेर ब्लेम घालता बेस्टेड फॉर नो रिजन. तेंचेर एक्शन घेवंक जाय न्हू सर?
See, this is more of a it is one-upmanship as far as politics is concerned. It is nothing to do with that. I am saying everyone genuinely should take an interest in this. It is not only me. Everyone should be a part of this.
Okay.
So, but they are dumping that sewage water in the Santini Creek.
Who said they are dumping in the Santini Creek?
So, Utpal Parikar had given the.
Did an engineer tell you that dumping it?
Engineer काय सांगितलं सर
No. See, as far as my information goes, there is some pipe which had broken as far as Santini is concerned. We are taking care of it, and we need basically this suction. This thing, the trucks are coming. So we need to suck them. We almost 10 trucks we need daily. So now who is going to bear the cost? That is the thing what we got to discuss with the PWD minister.
Okay, thank you.
Last time you said कि in these 20-25 years there is no development in the Panjim city, but Utpal Parikar have.
You are here, no? You are here in 25 years. Definitely you are in Panjim. You have seen what has taken place in Panjim. Now major basically development is taking place now. So you cannot bear I'm just trying to say. See, I understand that the people are going through hardship. But just bear if you want to see. There is a saying, no. If you want to see the rainbow, you got to bear a little bit of rain. You got to come out.
So, but one thing is that one thing is that you are trying to do development. But do you feel your engineers or the contractors are supporting you? Development kotta म्हणटा आणि नाक आलेले जाता मागीर.
See, I am just trying to tell you that development takes time. See, it is not a new city which we are building. If it is a new city which if you are building, they would have not been the same. You know Panjim. The roads are basically also narrow. So we got to work in all this difficult situation. And just it is a question of just to bear for some time. No? It is a matter of 6 months time. Then after, see, these people are only just this is like when frogs are coming during now monsoon is there. Frogs will come. It is just that is the time I distinct them with that. What?
फाटल्या दिसांनी एका ड्रेनेजीन कितलो प्लास्टिक बाटल्योच काडले कितल्या वर्सांचे क्लीन करून घाले.
सो ते वर्सांचे ते तुमी हाडना ते पयलीं तें हाडूंक जाय तुवें सांगूंक जाय आतां कितें चलता म्हणून एटलीस्ट ओके ते लिपेज चलता म्हणून.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.